Okay, so we're going to call this perimeter extension, because when we look at this diagram, we go, man, how do I do that? It's not giving me all these side links, so how can I work out how long that fence is or how long that line is? And I say fence for a reason, because I really want you to imagine that this is a fence around some sheep. It doesn't really need to be sheep. It just needs to be a fence around a paddock. I can't rub out these lines, so I've redrawn it. Can you see? It doesn't have to be exact. I've redrawn the shape because what I want to talk about is this concept of it being a fence. If it's a fence around the paddock and I want to know how long the fence is, how about I just move some of these fences? So see this fence here that I've highlighted. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick it up. So I'm going to rub it out. I'm going to pick it up and put it there. I haven't changed its length. I've just moved it. I am going to move that fence now. I'm going to move that fence so that it is there. So that is now there. You can see I haven't changed the length of the fence, but I've changed where it is. What's the next one I'll move? How about I move this one? I'm going to move that one there. So it's still the same length. I'm just moving it there, and I'm going to rub it out. Then I'm going to move this one down there. Same length, just a different position. Clearly it was, rub that out. Clearly it was 4.5, so it's still 4.5. So all of a sudden, that whole length there becomes 6.5 metres. So I can get rid of that 2, get rid of that 4.5, and they're all gone. That doesn't want to rub out. Good on it. Let's move that now out here. You can see what I'm doing, can't you? So I've just moved it, haven't changed it. And there's only one last one left. I'm going to move it up here. And now it's gone. So individually, we have these individual little pieces of fence that we have no idea how long each piece is, but we do know that if that's 5, then all of them together must also be 5. We've got little individual pieces of fence here. Remember, they came from this piece, and this piece, but we moved them. I don't know how long each individual piece is, but I do know that together they must be 6.5. So when I'm doing the perimeter of this thing here, I can say perimeter equals add up all sides, and I'm going to start here and go up there. 5 plus that, which is 6.5, plus that, which is another 5, and that, which is another 6.5. I should have done that in my head, shouldn't I? 23, and they are centimetres. 23 centimetres. Good thinking question. It's not rocket science. You just think outside the square and then you just add up all the numbers. This only works for perimeter. This does not work for area. It only works for perimeter. That's why it's an extension question. Go searching for the hard ones, please.